we got Samuel Hoover right in the house. Come in.
Thank you.
Here.
Thank
Really
you.
appreciate you.
Yep.
So we're gonna do the countdown together. Ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yo, welcome. I'm basically here to talk a little bit about the social aspect of on-chain. Well, we all talk about Base and like the wallets and the financial stuff. That's cool. I like money. Everyone likes money, but we don't like money because we like money. We want to do shit with it. Like, I've never heard somebody making money and enjoying it without having a friend to tell that they made money to, right? So, like, either it's your friend or the internet, right? Like, people go on Instagram to flex money, right? The Instagram Reels and TikTok is make money, right? Twitter is I made money on chain and all of that, right? Y'all are into that. How many people of you like money? Show of hands.
Big fan.
Okay, so basically everyone here. Who of you also likes friends and social experiences? Okay, also everyone here. So if you want to combine those, Base has been really instrumental in bootstrapping a developer ecosystem on top of Farcaster. Farcaster in itself is this like social network where everyone brings their own payment rails. This is mostly Base, any chain, any VM chain. Most people have money on Base, so that's really cool, and that's what we do. We then take products and build their integrations on Farcaster and Base. Why that matters is because every single product needs users. You all just said that you like social and you like money. But all of you don't know of all the experiences that exist to be social and make money. So Medicaid, MBD, everyone else here, Farcade, the gaming, everyone is coming together and trying to make it social and make you money, or at least make you have fun, right? Well, you can do that on Farcaster really well. Base is a really cool chain to do that on. And Farcaster Frames is this like little widgety app type feature where you just go, you build a web page, like nothing else. Like people think Farcaster Frames is this like stupid thing. No, it's a web page, right? Like every one of you has sooner or later interacted with a web page. In case you didn't know, YouTube is a web page. Google is a web page, so it's like the web pages you probably all interacted with. Facebook started as a web page. They had games in there, so you could play, you could notify people, you could notify friends, you could connect with them. Well, you can't do that on Facebook anymore because they don't actually give you the API. Twitter gives you the API. Twitter doesn't give you the way to build those like apps inside of Twitter so you can directly reach your friends. So if you want to make them money or give them entertaining social experiences, you can't reach your friends on Twitter. It doesn't really like work. Like if you want to be social, we just talked about having friends, it doesn't line up, right? Well, you can pay Twitter $40,000 every single month to get all of the data access, then you still have to manage that infrastructure. You can pay infra providers on Farcaster $10 to $50, get all of the same experience, or use any of the free services. Why? Well, because similar to a free social and financial product like Base, where you have the financial rails for free, besides a little bit of a fee on every transaction, Farcaster, you just run the infra, you can do it, or you pay a provider. So now you can take making money, making friends, or either one of the two in the entertainment, combine them together, and with Base and on-chain rails, you actually have a payment system and you have finances, and that's how you can tie that together. Really, really cool thing that most people don't realize is if you just make a fun experience and people share it right away, you get more users. That's something people actually haven't realized. Like if you make the user at the point where they're most happy, ask to share it to other friends, they will. That means that all of a sudden one user turns into 3 users turn into 6 users turn into 10, and all of a sudden you're building a user base. I don't know if anyone here likes building a user base, but certainly I do. At least like that's what we're usually hired to do, because people are like, oh, how do we do that? And I'm like, you just make something shareable and you make it nice. Nice means usually you have to reduce friction, because if you reduce friction, you increase action. Like everyone here came because they already had interactions with Base, and it's like, oh cool, Base Lightning talks, I already know Base. So there's less friction for you to go. If this is an event that somebody else is hosting, you don't know, it's like, there's social friction, I don't know them, should I go? So that's the same on the feed. Like if a friend shares it, they're right in, right? And with Farcaster Frames, you also get the ability to send notifications. So I can go and say, oh, I want Yassine to see my new developer product and integrate it with MBD. I can spam him in notifications once he added my frame. Is this the nicest thing to do? No, but it works. And you can also do it nicely. For example, like Reddit sends me like 4 push notifications a day. I thought that was annoying until I actually like clicked on some of them and they were good, and all of a sudden every single one of those 4 is really nice. And I'm like, shit, I've got sucked into Reddit just because I have notifications on, right? So you can do the same thing in Farcaster for all of your on-chain stuff. For all the crypto people in here, it's really cool that with the Farcaster you have a wallet. So you know that transaction is from that social user. So if you're early stage, you want to get feedback, you can literally go and DM that person. You can also automate that. There's APIs, we do integrations for that. But that's really the gist I want to get across, is you can just build web apps, you can make them social, you can add payment rails for you to get paid, for the user to get paid, and tie it all together and make friends, make money, be social, and have fun. You should be good on time, right? Perfect.
Thank
Cool.
you so much for sharing.
Thank you.
What is your favorite country?
My favorite country is Germany.
Why is that?
I'm from Germany, I love the culture, people are straightforward, straight to your face. And German people can be fun, right? Like y'all were laughing during this talk, so big reveal, there's a German guy who made you laugh.